everyone, myself Nishitha, Assistant Professor, Department of CSIT, working at MLR Institute of Technology. In previous sessions, we have seen about disk attachments and disk scheduling algorithms. So, what are the disk attachments? Means network attached storage and host attached storage and secondary storage attached. So, in this session, we are going to see about first come first serve scheduling algorithm. So, this is one of these disk scheduling algorithm that we are going to discuss in deeply with an example problem. So, what do you mean by FCFS? So, the disk scheduling algorithms, in this we are discussing about first two algorithms that are first come first serve and shortest seek time first. So, let us start with FCFS. So, first come first serve. It is the simplest of all the disk scheduling algorithm. Among all the 6 different types of algorithm, this is one of the simplest form to solve the disk scheduling algorithm. In FCFS, the requests are addressed in the order they arrive in the disk. So, whatever the disks which are arriving, so 12, 13, 16, 18, 20. So, these are some disks. So, whatever the disk is coming first, that will be allocated first. That is how we are going to calculate this FCFS, first come first serve. So, let us see with an example problem how the first come first serve is solved in an order to process each disk with their seek time, rotational latency, and how the transfer of each disk. So, let us start our first problem with first come first serve. So, suppose the order of request is 82, 170, 43, 140, 24, 16 and 190. So, these are the 7 disks which are given to solve the problem, and the current position of read write head is 50. So, let us take our, so this is the disk. So, in this we need to place each disks. So, starting from 0. So, it is 190. So, 199. So, head is 50. So, 50 less than is 43. Then 24. Then 16. Then 50 of the numbers are 82. 140. 170. And then 190. So, these are some disks which are placed according to the arrangement given by the problem. So, what is our first algorithm we are doing? First come first serve. So, the order which comes first, that will be placed according to the each disk. So, our head is 50. So, this is our head. So, starting from 50. So, what is our first number? 82. So, we need to take from the head to 82. So, this is how we are placing each disk. So, next number is 170. So, you need to move this disk arm. So, 170. So, here is 170. Next number is 43. So, we need to go to the 43. So, here the 43. Next number is 140. Again move the disk arm. So, here 140. Next number is 24. And next number is 16. So, move this. And next number is 190. Go to the last. So, here 190. So, this is our first come first serve scheduling algorithm, and we are placing the number which comes first, we are placing according to the each disk arm should be placed on this disk arm. So, moving from head, first number is 82, then we are moving to 170, then we are moving to 43, then the next number is 140, and next disk is 24, and next is 16, and next is 190. So, now we need to calculate the total overhead of this movement. So, what is the total overhead of this movement? So, you need to calculate total overhead of this movement. So how we are going to calculate? First, 82 is the first disk, which is 82 minus 50. So 82 minus 50. So the disk which is moving first. So we need to calculate the big disk minus small disk. So next disk is 170 minus 82. So from here to here. Next 170 minus 43. And next is 140 minus 24. And next one is 24 minus 16. And last one is 190 to 16. So 190 minus 16. So what is the total value means? 642. This is the total overhead of the movement of first come first scheduling algorithm. So we are traveling according to each disk, that the disk which come first, that should be assigned first. That is what about first come first serve. So each disk come should be placed according to the numbers given in the problem, and we are placing each according to the first come first serve. This is what about first come first serve disk scheduling algorithm. So based on the values we are calculating a big disk minus small disk. So this is what how we are going to calculate the total overhead of the each movement. So let us see what are the advantages and disadvantages of this first come first serve. So advantages of this first come first serve are: every request gets a fair chance. Yes, why means whenever the disk is placing, is there any errors, hackers or anything happening between the two disks? No. The disk which is coming first, we are placing it first. Why? Because no other disk is under waiting or no other disk already placed. So every request gets a fair chance. No indefinite postponement. So there will be any postponement will be never happens in this FCFS. So what are the disadvantages of this FCFS? Does not try to optimize its seek time. So it does not require any read-write operations that can be performed for optimizing its seek time. So may not provide the best possible service. Sometimes it may doesn't give any proper service to this algorithm. Why? Because it may happens, why? Because the larger value may comes first, we cannot get the proper response of the disk arm. So this is what it may doesn't provide any best possible service. That is what one disadvantage of this first come first serve disk scheduling algorithm. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of first come first serve. So let us start our next shortest seek time first, SSTF. So this is the second disk scheduling algorithm. In this we are going to see how the disk is placed according to the values. That is short, that will be placed first. So let us see. In SSTF, requests having the shortest seek time are executed first. So the low values will be executed first. That is what shortest seek time are executed first. The values which are low, that will be executed first. So the seek time of every request is calculated in advance in the queue, and then they are scheduled according to their calculated seek time. So whatever the request is calculated, and whoever are in advance in the queue, they are scheduled according to their calculated seek time. Means once the calculations of the seek time is done, then the next process is next disk is ready for its execution. That is what how we are going to calculate the seek time. As a result, the request near the disk arm will get executed first. So then as the result, whatever the request is near to its disk arm, that will be executed first. SSTF is certainly an improvement over FCFS as it decreases the average response time and increases the throughput of the system. So it improves some over the FCFS. Why? Because in FCFS, whatever the disk is coming first, we are placing it first. Whereas in SSTF, we are taking the low values which are coming first and ready for the execution. Then we are placing it on head movements. So to increase its decrease its average response time, and we are increasing its throughput of the system. So let us see with an example program. So let us start the problem. So this is same as previous problem. So but we are going to solve it SSTF. So let us take our this from 0 to 199 and head is 50, 43, then 24, then 16, and next after 50, 82, then 140, then 170, then 190. So these are the disks given according to the problem. So we need to calculate the shortest seek time first, means low values first. So head is 50. Head is 50. So what is our first lowest value is 16. So take 16 from 50 to 16. And next number is 24. And next is 43. And next is 82. So moving towards 82. And next is 140. And next one is 170. And next value is 190. So this is what shortest seek time first. So the values which are low, that will be placed first. So let us calculate the total overhead movement. So lowest value minus, so 50 minus 43 plus next 43 minus 24, next disk is 24 minus 16, and next value is 82 minus 16. So we are coming this side now. So next 140 minus 82, next 170 minus 140 plus 190 minus 170. So the total value of this is 208. So our head movement of this shortest seek time first is 208. So this is how we are going to calculate the shortest seek time first based on the low values will be executed first. So first lowest value is 16, then we are placing 24 and then 43. So after these numbers, which one is next number is 82. So then we are moving the disk to 82. And next number 140, and next is 170, and next is 190. Based on the given values, we are taking the shortest values and we are placing it according to the disk. So this is how we are going to calculate the shortest seek time first in disk scheduling algorithm. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of this shortest seek time first? So in this shortest seek time first, the advantages are the average response time will be decreases. So the response time will be decreases until and unless the values will be decreasing. Why? Because the values are in low that we are executing first. Next, the throughput value will be increases. These are the two advantages of shortest seek time first. So next, what are the disadvantages of this shortest seek time first? Overhead to calculate the seek time in advance. Why? Because the head and read and write operations we are performing it first, and we are taking average of the seek time and we are placing according to the given values in shortest seek time first. Can cause starvation for a request if it has a higher seek time as compared to incoming requesters. So when we are comparing with the highest seek time, that we are comparing with incoming requesters, that is which is coming according to the lowest value, the highest seek time may be decreases. Why? Because the starvation of a request in is higher in seek time. That is what how we are going to compare each incoming request. The high variance of response time as SSTF favors only some requesters. So the variance which is having high in response time as compared to shortest seek time first favors with the low favors with some requesters. Why? Because whatever the variance can be accessed through this response time that are placed according to the low values. Why? Because shortest seek time favors only some requesters. That is what one of the disadvantage of this shortest seek time first. So in this session we have seen about FCFS and shortest seek time first, and how we are going to calculate first come first serve based on the first come first serve values. Whereas in SSTF, shortest seek time first means nothing but the low values are calculated first. If you have any doubts, you can comment in comment box. Thank you.